Are you here for my last video? Glad you're still here. This is going to be a little bit longer and I'm going to try to go quick. So we're talking about healthcare proxies, advanced directives, living wills, and why they're important. They're important because they tell healthcare providers who you want to make decisions for you if you can't make those decisions. So I'm going to give you all the tips about doing that. Number one, you want to tell the person that you're choosing that you are choosing them. It's very important. Make sure that they're agreeing to serve in the role. And this is important because I've come across patients who name somebody as their healthcare proxy, and that person does not want to be the healthcare proxy. And they can relinquish their role as healthcare proxy. Number two, make sure that your healthcare proxy is dated. Very important. Sometimes, depending on if a person needs to go to a skilled facility and they can't make decisions for themselves, these facilities want that healthcare proxy or advanced directive to be completed to a T. So the date. Number two, make sure you have 2 witnesses. 2. Those witnesses cannot be the person that you are choosing to be your healthcare proxy. They have to be 2 other random people. They can be family members, they just cannot be the agent or the person you're choosing to be the healthcare proxy. I don't know what number I'm on, but the next tip, make sure that you're also choosing an alternate. There are so many times we have a wife who maybe names her husband has been deceased, she has not chosen an alternate. Please choose an alternate. I've looked at most of the states' forms. They all pretty much have these elements that I noticed. And lastly, make copies. Give it to the person you're choosing. Give it to your primary care doctor. Give it to everybody that you can think of that would be an important person in your life. Even maybe if they're not your healthcare proxy, they're your sibling, they're your cousin, give them a copy. Keep a copy for yourself. Also nowadays, keep an electronic version somewhere. Keep it in an email, keep it in a drive. All super, super important tips.